Hi, I am Mahi. Today I will share a story about my school with you. So, without further delay, let's get started. I study in a small school in my village. The name of my school is Bright Future School. It is not a big building, but it is very beautiful. We have 5 classrooms, a small library, and a playground. My school starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. Every day we have a morning assembly under a big banyan tree. In the assembly, we sing the national anthem, pray, and listen to our teacher's instructions. In my classroom, there are 20 students. We sit on wooden benches, and there is a blackboard on the wall. My favorite subject is science because I enjoy learning about plants and animals. Our teacher, Mr. Dash, explains everything with fun stories. During the lunch break, my friends and I sit under a tree. We share our lunch and talk about our farms, pets, and daily life. Some of my friends bring food made with fresh vegetables from their farms. It tastes delicious. Our playground is not very big, but we love playing there. We play games like Coco, Kabaddi, and hide and seek. There is also a small pond near the school where we sometimes watch ducks swimming. After the break, we study more subjects like math, history, and art. My art teacher, Miss Anita, says I draw very well. She always encourages me to practice more. At 4 o'clock in the evening, the school bell rings. We say goodbye to our teachers and friends. Many of us walk home together, laughing and talking about our day. I love my village school because it feels like a big family. Everyone knows each other and we have a lot of fun while learning. What do you think about my village school? Do you like it? Tell me about your school too.